Pam here from Sincerely Pam. I'm so excited to have you back. This time we are going to be doing a really fun and easy stitch tutorial. So a lot of my baskets have some really simple stitches to create the basket, which I really love, which give a lot of texture, like this Totally Textured Crochet Basket. But I noticed that once I get to the end, oftentimes, you kind of want a little something to finish it off, especially when it's more like a pot cover like this one is, that doesn't have any handles. One stitch that I absolutely love to do is a reverse single crochet. So that is what we're going to work on today. So my Totally Textured Crochet Basket pattern is free on the Sincerely Pam blog. And for this one, I am using Lion Brand Thick and Quick yarn, which is a number 6 super bulky. And I am using a J hook, which is much smaller than what is recommended on the yarn sleeve, but I find that it gives a much tighter stitch, which is really great for helping baskets to keep their shape. So for the last round of this pattern, I'm going to be working that reverse single crochet stitch. So the first thing we're going to do is chain 1, and normally we would be working in the stitch. If you're right-handed, you'll be working in the stitch to the left of your chain 1. And so to do a reverse single crochet, it's really important to remember how you work a regular single crochet stitch. So you insert your hook, pull up a loop, so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. The reverse single crochet is exactly those same steps, but done to the right of the chain 1. So let's try that again. So just like a normal single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, so you have, oops, and I got tangled. How's that for a tutorial? All right. So you are going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So it's the same, technically the same stitch. All you're doing is putting it in a different spot. So again, you're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And we're going to do that again. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. And we're going to keep doing that all the way around. And as you can see, as I keep going, it gives almost like a rolled braided look around the top of the basket. So there is no top 2 loops in the same way that you see with a regular stitch. So we're going to keep going all the way around. And at first it doesn't feel natural, and you might want to fight with your yarn a little bit, but instead just go nice and easy and let the yarn kind of tell you where it needs to go. And then you'll find that it starts going a lot smoother. Of course, when you're using a super bulky yarn and a smaller hook, the yarn's going to fight back anyway. But it does get much easier as you go. And once you get to the end, obviously, like I said, there are no 2 top loops to kind of slip stitch into like you normally would. So instead, you'll just complete your last stitch. And then what I do is I take out my hook, insert it underneath that first stitch, pull through a loop, cut my yarn, insert my hook again, and pull up that tail, and then you can just pull it through and fasten off like that. So there you go. There is a reverse single crochet edging on the top of the Totally Textured Crochet Basket pattern. This one is so great. Like I said, the yarn itself is chunky, the hook was small, which makes the stitches tight, and it gives it some great structure so that it holds its shape really well, and you can fill it with goodies to cover a pot, anything like that. So I hope you enjoyed this pattern. If you enjoyed this stitch tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. See you later.